Hi guys, this is me Hajar Vidar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm again here with another collaborated full face makeup tutorial, and this time we have our very own, the girl with the blue bag, Fatima. I absolutely love this hijabi girl. In love. She has an amazing blog. You must check that out. I'm gonna link her blog down below in the description box. Go show her love. And this is the look that we did. This green lower lash line, all smoked out, all of that bronze shimmer, and a glowy foundation. So we're starting with the browsings from Benefit to do her brows. I'm using my favorite BEAUTIFY Amna's angled brush from their Eye Premium brush set. Do use my code H151 on BEAUTIFY by Amna. Now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and with the SEPHORA 57 brush, I'm gonna just blend all of this concealer, which I'm using it as eyeshadow base, and really nicely. This is gonna carve her brows out as well. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder to set her lids. Since she had a little oily skin, her T-zone was really oily. Now I'm using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So just warming up her crease, making her outer V, and starting from softer colors and building it gradually towards darker colors, giving it all bronze look. I'm not going to focus more on the eyes. We'll be doing this really quick because we need to focus more on the face. Now I'm using the BH and Anastasia brushes today. I absolutely love the Anastasia dual-sided brush. It is bomb. So just after making the crease, I'm making her outer corners really nice and bronzed. Now I'm just taking a little brown color on the area where we do the liner as well to just bronze up the lid. Now I'm using a shimmery bronze color from the Jaclyn palette, and I'm gonna put it all over her lid because we need to put a glitter on top, which is from Stila. This is bronzed bell, and I'm gonna put bronzed bell, whatever. I'm gonna put it on her entire lid, and I'm gonna blend it really nicely. This look is so good, so bomb. Seriously, I love it. I'm using the SASHA lashes from Sweettouch, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, NYX Studio Liner to do everything, and I did it off camera. Now I'm using the Tatcha spray. This is my absolute favorite spray to hydrate her skin. Now I'm using an eye cream from Clinique, which is the All About Eyes eye cream. Next I'm gonna blend this inside her skin really well, and next I'll be using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a primer and moisturizer, like 2-in-1, and I absolutely love this product. This is Jeffree Star's favorite, and this is my favorite. Oh my god, I love this product. It's so bomb. So after massaging it at the skin, it's time for the foundation. I'm using my favorite Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is an absolutely the best foundation. Like, if you wanna get something which is amazing, get this one. Using the BH brush to blend everything. This foundation works with oily and combination skin both. Even for dry skin, if you prep your skin really well, it's gonna work. So now I'm using the Fenty Profilter concealer. This is a very nice medium to full coverage concealer. This is not extra full coverage, but you can always build it up. I really like the concealer, and I'm gonna just concealer under eyes. And you can see I'm using a beauty blender to do that. This is the original beauty blender, from SEPHORA. So blending everything really nicely. Now there was this dark spot right on her left side. I don't know what was it, how did I forget that area or what, but that's okay. We have to contour there, so no worries. Now I'm using a MAC Studio powder to first do her under eyes with the beauty blender, and now with the help of a brush I'm just setting her entire face. Next I will be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Cupcake, and I will be baking her under eyes and her T-zone area. Baking the under eye is very important, and also the T-zone area because the foundation tends to move there if your skin is oily over there. And also under eyes need to be set, obviously. I love this powder, it's so good. This is so good. Now I'm using my favorite contour palette from Kat Von D Shade and Light powder contour palette, and using the tapered brush from BEAUTIFY by Amna's Face Premium brush set. I love this brush, it's so bomb. Do use my code H151 to get free goodies while you purchase stuff from BEAUTIFY by Amna's website. So I'm just gonna start with soft contouring, then I'm gonna build it towards a little harsh contouring. If you go with a lot of contour product at once, you kind of mess it up, you kind of waste your product as well. So I like to just do some soft contouring, then build it up. So you'll see that. Now I'm using the BEAUTIFY Amna's Oma blush palette, and I'm gonna put the blush. I absolutely love this, its combination with this Too Faced blush from the Best Year Ever 2018's palette. I love this combo. Like, look at this, so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply that using a Morphe brush that I've been using for the blush since forever now. Now I'm using the Fenty Mean Money and Hustle Baby Kilowatt Highlighter Duo. I absolutely love this. Again, using a Morphe brush. I'm a Morphe whore. I love Morphe. So again, with the highlighter as well, I do like one layer, and then after setting the face, I do another layer. That is my vibe. I like to do that. So now I feel that I need to do a little bit of nose contouring. So I'm going to take this Guidey brush, and from the same contour palette, which is Kat Von D, I'm contouring her nose, and then I'll be putting a very sharp and precise highlighting as well on, to make the nose look more sharper. So I'll be using a Morphe brush for that nose highlight, and the Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty again. Now I'm just doing the second layer of her highlighter, and I love this highlighter. Is so pretty. Look at those eyes. Now to snatch the lower lash line, we are using the Gosh green eye pencil. I'm gonna put it on her waterline and then on her lower lash line, kind of just pack it on there. You can see the pigment. It is a perfect dupe for Marc Jacob pencils. Now I've taken this tiny miny favorite blending brush from Morphe, and you can see I'm just smoking out her lower lash line. Now till she do mascara, here is my MAC Burnt Spice liquid lipstick, Sandstrom liquid lipstick from NYX, and Sweet Face Key lip pencil in 132. This is a lip combo. I'll do it off camera and I'll be back. Absolutely love this lip pencil, so good. So now I'm setting a face using Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray. So this is the entire look. I love how it turned out, so pretty. I love this hijabi girl. I love how she carried the look, and it looked so beautiful with the hijab. Look at that, she's enjoying and killing it. I love it. Look at that intense highlight. Fenty is playing no games at all. Their highlighters are bomb. Ignore the mess at the back. We were running out of time. I couldn't clean it before shooting, so it's okay. Let's be real here. So yeah, I absolutely love that nude lips on her. We weren't sure if it's gonna look good, but then with that dark brown lip pencil, it just looked so pretty. So I wanted the eyes to stand out, the skin to be very glowy, and lips to be really subtle, nude, and beautiful. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want me to do more such tutorials, let me know in the comments down below, and if you need to request anything or say anything at all, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be waiting and answering to all of your comments. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it and find all of these tutorials helpful. I am loving these. I just loved creating all of these collaborated looks. Thank you so much for Fatima for being here. Don't forget to follow her blog. I'll link that down in the description box and show her love. In love with the look. And that is it. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell so that you be the part of my glam fam. Till next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.